Is broiler chicken good for your health? How many chicken liver can you consume in your lifetime? These and many more are the kind of question a lot of broiler meat chicken eaters do ask. Now, I'm going to be telling you the health benefits of broiler meat chicken, whether it's good or whether it's bad. Just stay tuned. Research has been carried out and we observe that chicken livers are high in protein and a rich store of folate, which is important for fertility and helps prevent certain birth defects, as given by the Food Standard Authority, but is advisable for pregnant women not to eat liver because too much vitamin A can harm the baby. Do you know that livers are also loaded with iron, which gives you energy and treasure troves of certain B vitamins, especially the vitamin B12. This nutritional profile makes them a good choice for anyone prone to anemia. Chicken livers are also one of the top sources of vitamin A, which of course helps with your eye health. Perhaps your question is, can chicken liver be eaten daily? Do you know that eating liver is healthy and nutritious, but it should not be consumed daily? Eating it once per week is enough. What are the disadvantages of and flavor? Is chicken liver high in cholesterol? Of course, liver, gizzard and other organs in your meat, they are very high. Another question that I know this is how you ask your question is does chicken liver destroy nutrients? Chicken livers, just like other livers and organs, destroys nutrients, are nutritional powerhouse. The less one cooks liver as a part of any balanced diet. It is full of vitamin A, vitamin B, protein, iron and other useful vitamins and minerals. In short, it is high in iron. Does chicken liver increase blood? Chicken liver nutrition can help protect you from anemia. And do you know that anemia is caused when you are deficient in red blood cells? Since chicken liver is high in vitamin A and iron, it improves your cell function and prevents anemia.
Oh my God! Wow!
Between each other.